Hi Challakuttis, let's see the Independence Day speech. Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Sivanya. Today is 15th August. At first, wish you all very happy Independence Day. This year, we are all celebrating 70th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. Our country got freedom on this day. We salute our freedom fighters on this day. I feel proud to be an Indian. I love my country. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Thank you for watching my Challakuttis. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Bye.